Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a location on a Snapchat story. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Let's start by recording a story first. Now here, tap on this sticker icon given on your right panel. As you can see, we have the option of location here, so tap on it. Now search for your location. Once you have selected it, you can place its icon anywhere on your story. To do it, you should allow the location access to Snapchat. If you have not given it access, then go to your phone settings. Scroll down until you see Snapchat here. Tap on it and then go to location. Make sure you have set the location access to always, because without it, you'll not be able to add location to your story. Now, let's go back to our story. Now, let's talk about the second way to add location. Swipe your screen to the right until you see this filter that shows your location and time. So you can apply this filter to show your location by story. It will only show your city, not your precise location. So by these two methods, we can add location to our story. You can apply both these methods or use any one of them. Once you are done, go ahead and post your story. This is how your story with double locations will look. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.